What's up everybody, this is Investing Sensei here to bring you another video on my investing portfolio. Hope you're doing great because I'm doing fantastic. Before we get started, I just want to tell you guys a disclaimer. This video is intended to be used for entertainment purposes only. I'll leave the full disclaimer in the description below. And actually, I hope you guys can actually hear me a lot clearer now. Quick story on that. I used to actually record my videos on the computer, but I didn't have a mic, so I would just record the screen itself, and then with my phone I would record the audio. So in the video editing software, I would go and try to align the video with the audio and try to match it up, and that took me a while on editing. And so now I have a Blue Yeti. And funny story, I was telling my girlfriend on how I was recording these videos, and I was telling her how I was saving up for the Blue Yeti, and I was going to end up buying it in a couple weeks. And typically, usually if I want to buy something, I'll save up and order it. And she never gets the chance to know what I really want, because when I want to buy something, I'll go and buy it myself. And so she ended up ordering it for me before I ordered it, which I was planning to order it in about 2 weeks or so. And yeah, she ended up ordering it through Amazon, and then it showed up at my house, and I was like, oh, why did you order it? It's pretty expensive. I was going to order it. But hey, if you're watching this, I just want to tell you thank you, and I really appreciate it. So now to go ahead and get started. So for the agenda today, I have, first thing is to show you the portfolio value for this week. And then once I do that, I'll show you guys the activity, the stuff that I bought. There's a lot of awesome deals this week that, I just couldn't pass on. And then we'll look at my email and see if Seeking Alpha sent us any new declared dividends that we're going to be getting paid. And then the last thing, which maybe you guys have heard of, is the Robinhood cash management. And if you guys haven't, we'll dive into it. And then from there, I'll tell you guys if I actually signed up for the Robinhood cash management. So let's look at the portfolio value. So today I deposited $230. That brings our total invested amount to $32,180.83. We're getting very close to the 50,000 portfolio value goal, and we're just going to continue investing every week, and hopefully we'll get there very soon. So now let's look at the portfolio value on M1 Finance. So in the 1 week, we are up $16.64, so 0.05%. And then earned dividends, we got $26.48. And then let's look at the overall. So overall, we're up $4,537.66. This includes the dividend. So market gain is $4,004.62. And then in total of the earned dividends, that's $533.04. So that adds up to a total of $36,645.87, which is awesome. I would actually prefer my portfolio value to be down because I can get better deals. But there's actually a lot of stocks on my portfolio that I'm actually able to average down. And, total that's 18.44%. So, yep, that's our portfolio value. Let's see. Go ahead, we're done with this. Now I'm going to show you guys the activity. So what I bought, if I sold anything. I ended up depositing the $230, and actually I bought a lot of stocks today. And we have order fulfilled and then some trading. So that's where I actually bought the stocks. But actually I want to show you real quick on the holdings. So typically I'll look at the holdings. If you filter over here by unrealized gain, I typically filter by this, and everything that's in the red, that's awesome because I usually try to buy those type of stocks because I can average down. So right now, like 3M is almost like 10% down. Pfizer, Cisco, Altria, the Union Pacific Corporation, United Health Group. These are awesome. Amazon. These are all stocks that I can try to average down, you know, to reduce my cost average. So basically I looked at these, bought a couple, and let's look at the activity. So if I look at the trading here, you should be able to see I bought $231.16. That was just some extra money that I had from dividends. I think it was like $1.16. So I bought $15 of Caterpillar, $30 of Union Pacific Corporation, Pfizer $25, Altria $30, United Health Group $30, 3M $26.17, Amazon, I put an order for 20, but it looks like it was $19.99. Then Cisco $25, British American Tobacco $15, and then Honeywell $15. So these are all companies I'm trying to average down right now that they're down. They'll eventually go back up. And yeah, that's really it for the activities. I didn't really do much this week. So let's look at the agenda. So that's activities. And also, I'm trying to not make these videos as long so you guys can see I'm trying to speed it up some. Alright, so next thing is, let's look at the declared dividends. So I'm going to go to my email. We will click on dividend increase. Looks like we have 4. We have Procter & Gamble, so let's click on that. Click on the README. And so that takes us out to Seeking Alpha. So they declare 0.74 cents per per share quarterly. So they didn't increase any this time around, but that's fine. And then they're going to be paying us on November 15th. The ex-dividend date is October 17th. So if we try to buy some more shares in this, as long as we have it before October 17th, we'll get paid the 74 cents. And then if we go back over here, Caterpillar declares dividend. So let's open that up. All right. So Caterpillar declares $1.03 per share quarterly. They didn't increase it this time. They'll be paying us November 20th, and the ex-dividend date is October 18th. So let's close that up. And let's look at the dividend increase over here. AbbVie. So AbbVie declares $1.07 per share quarterly. They didn't increase it this time, but they'll be paying on November 15th. And then the ex-dividend date is October 11th. And actually, let me show you guys this real quick. So in one of the previous videos, I showed you guys this script that I made that goes out and generates this information that you can just import into the Google Sheets. But if we look at AbbVie, it says it'll pay February, May, August, and November. So all the ones that are in purple are the ones that will pay out those type of stocks. So AbbVie is going to pay November. And if we go back over here to the AbbVie, payable November 15th. So this is awesome. My Excel sheet that I have just lets me quickly view which stocks or how many stocks I'm going to get paid that month. So for October, I should expect these type of stocks to get paid, and then November, these other stocks. So it's just a easy visualization, and it keeps me motivated to continue investing. And if you guys want to be able to use it, just check out that other video. I'll actually leave maybe a description or a link with the timestamp where you guys can or I show you guys how to actually run it. But let's go back to the last one. So United Technologies declares dividend, and they're going to pay 73 cents per share quarterly. They didn't increase it this time, but they'll be paying December 10th. And then the ex-dividend date is November 14th. So that does it for our declared dividends. All right. So the last thing is the Robinhood cash management. I believe that they announced it either a day ago, yesterday, or 2 days ago. But if you go to the website on Robinhood.com, it'll have a lot of more information about it. I have pulled it up right now, and it's more of a checkings account that you're gonna basically get 2.05% on your money. So Robinhood's a investment platform that you can buy shares, sell shares, and majority of the time a lot of people will add money there, and they have it ready to invest, but they're waiting a couple days or maybe a couple weeks until they can get a good deal on some of the stocks. And while that money just sits there, you'll be able to actually get 2.05% on it, which is amazing. Because right now on my account, I have about maybe $800 that I'm ready to invest, but my stocks are doing too well on them, and I don't want to pay too much on them. So I'm just waiting until they go down a bit, and then I can start purchasing stuff. But if you have this now, while I wait, I'm getting 2.05%, and it looks like they're going to be paying monthly on the amount of money that you have, so that's pretty awesome. And then it's FDIC insured, so they'll, if Robinhood was to go bankrupt or something happened, you're assured $250K at least. And then, well, not at least, but at the maximum of $250K. And then they will have ATMs, and I think there's going to be on the app, you'll be able to see what your nearest ATM is, and you can withdraw money. And yeah, you'll get this cool looking debit card. Anywhere that MasterCard is accepted, you'll be able to pay with it. And so I actually ended up signing up, and this is my wait list number. So I'm 278,240. So if you guys actually got to the wait list, let me know in the comments what your number is. And I'm actually going to show you a cool trick that only works on the mobile app for some reason, but I tried it on the website, didn't work. And yeah, let me share my screen and we'll go from there. So now I'm sharing my mobile screen of Robinhood, and if you guys look at this bottom portion, there should be like a little credit card icon that if you press on it, that should show you the cash management. And it says I'm 278,169 in the wait list. I've tapped it a couple times. You can actually tap it and it'll lower you down in the wait list. And there's like a certain number of times that you can tap it. So I'm going to try to tap it the most I can. And I won't give up. I think the maximum you can do is like 1,000. So let's lower this down. So I'm just basically spamming this numbering here. If you guys also, while I'm doing this, if you guys enjoyed the video, please consider hitting the like button. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. I try to upload videos at least once a week. And trying to max it out, but you guys should try this. If you guys did sign up and you're in the wait list, try to lower your number. You can do this every day. How far can we go? I'm not gonna give up. It's kind of like a video game. We're at 200. We're getting closer. We're in the 700s. We're gonna get to the 600 soon. We're at 300. Alright, now we're in the 600s. Let's try to see if we can get to the 500s. Get in there. Should take some time. All the spamming. But hey, if you're really good at playing video games, this is a good exercise. I'm not very good at playing video games, so that's why it's taking me a while. But we're at 500 now. I'm not gonna give up. For some reason, you're only allowed to do this on the app. Oh man, I wasn't tapping it fast enough, but it's still letting me go down. But yeah, for some reason, it only lets you do this on the app. If I tried it on the computer, on the browser, it doesn't let you. But I tried this yesterday, and it maxes out like I think I maxed out like at 900. But I think I had already tapped it 100 times before that. So I think we were like at 600 or so before that. So we're getting close though. Patient is the key here. Oh man, my arm is arm and hand. They're getting pretty tired. Oh, there we tapped out. So we're out of taps for today. Come back tomorrow. So we lowered it down to 277,244. So that's awesome. But yeah, this is the cash management app on Robinhood. And if you guys enjoyed the video, please share it with a friend, and then I'll be making a new video next week. I might actually try to make one on Sunday. There's a new subscriber that suggested one, and I might work on that, so it just depends on how much time I have. But thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you guys in the next video. Have a great day.